Welcome to bpo5000. We are going to do a quick tutorial about completing a BPO using the bpo5000 Plus user interface and bpo5000 browser. Here in this example, we are using Tempo MLS. Most MLS systems have a similar export feature available. Now this example assumes that the bpo5000 export criterion has been set up. If your export has not been set up, you will need to contact us to have it set up for you. In this example, we have already completed our search for our comparables. We will just go ahead and select our 3 list comps and our 3 sale comps and the subject if it is available. We know these are the sale comps based on the fact that they have a sale price and closing date. So 1, 2, 3 list comps and 1, 2, 3 sale comps. And we are going to select Sycamore Street as the subject. Once we have our comp selected, we will go here to download. Depending on your MLS, it may say export or something of that nature. As we press the download, we have our 7 comps. It's important to select comma delimited and then click the next button. Now on this page, select bpo5000 from the grid format. Tick includes column headers and click on the next button. As you can see in the pop-up, it wants to save as a .txt file. So we will click the down arrow and choose Save As. And on my desktop, I have already set up a folder, March BPOs, but you can save the file anywhere in your computer you choose. Just remember the location so you can open it later. Here it says Save as Type. It wants to save as a TXT file by default. So we choose All Files from the drop-down. Here we are going to name this file .csv. It's very important to put the .csv on the end, and we will just go ahead and save it. And now we will go ahead and open the bpo5000 Plus interface. The icon will be on your desktop or your taskbar. This is the bpo5000 user interface. The load button is where we input the file, and this is where we save and exit. A couple of features here: bpo5000 browser, quick sign up, custom defaults, client support, info, BPO grabber, and tell a friend, which we hope you would do. Now we will go ahead and load the file that we saved. I'm going to go here. It's on my desktop in the folder March BPOs. And I'm going to open that file, file.csv. As you can see, we have our sale and list comps loaded. And as you remember that Sycamore was our subject comp, we are going to click it and drag it to the subject area. Now you also want to verify your data, so you can scroll from right to left to ensure the data is exactly how you want it to appear in your BPO form. For example, here they gave us a 0, and you want to enter the correct data from public records. Now that the data is correct, we can go ahead and save the file. As you can see, file successfully saved. Once we have the file saved, we can open the bpo5000 browser. Once the browser is open, this is where you are going to log into your BPO vendor. You can choose any vendor from this drop-down list, and it will take you to the login screen. For instance, if it were CoreLogic, this will take you to the login page to complete the BPO. Since we don't have a BPO to complete, we have a practice form here. Once we are on the form, all we need to do is select the BPO and hit the play button or double-click. As you can see, the name of this BPO form is 1 bpo5000 BPO form, and we look for the corresponding name on the left so we know we are playing in the correct macro. So if this were core logic, we would look for the name of the form and match it with the name of the macro to play. However, for this practice, the name of the form is 1bpo5000 BPO form, and we just press the play button. It's going to take the comps we saved and stick right in the BPO form. As you can see, about 80 to 90% of the BPO was filled out. Now the only thing left is to go over the form and fill in the information that could not be automated, and then submit the form. Thank you for watching our tutorial.